Hi zäme, welcome back to FiliSwissed. In this first episode of my travel organization series, I will be sharing with you my travel organization tips and tricks by showing you how we prepared and packed for our trip to Freiburg in Breisgau, Germany. It was a 5-night stay and there was quite a bit of pre-vacay prep that we had to do to ensure that we had a seamless and enjoyable trip. This is our first family trip with Snickers, so it was imperative that we did not forget anything that we would need for him and for us as well. If you've been following me on Instagram and TikTok, you would have already had a glimpse of our trip. The first thing I had to do was to do some research on the area for the sites that we would like to visit within reasonable distance to our accommodation. Also looking for places to eat and drink within the distance to the sites themselves or towards our accommodation, and also the cost of public transportation. Once I've compiled a list of places to go, I would then check the weather and the temperature forecast, which would then allow me to plan our site visits and activities and also our outfits. It's also important in the research process to know the basic rules and regulations of the destination itself, such as the COVID-19 measures. And that's how I found out that unlike in Switzerland, we don't have to wear masks when we enter a shop, but in Germany, we did. What the two countries have in common is that you would have to wear a mask when you're in public transportation. I also had to check what type of tickets I needed to get for both me and hubby and also for Snickers. Now that we know where we're going to go and what the weather is going to be like, it is time to draft up the list of what we are going to pack in our main suitcases, Snickers bag, and my handbag. In my main suitcase, I have my clothing and accessories in mesh bags. I store my makeup kit, my skincare and hygiene products in a grooming pouch and canvas bags. We also brought a box of masks to make sure that we have sufficient supply with us when we have to go inside a shop or when we go inside a cafe or restaurant, given the rules in the local area. And of course, I don't forget my shoes, and that one is just placed in a plastic bag so that it does not filthy up the rest of my stuff. In my handbag, I have my planner, our tickets, spending cash, which is already converted from Swiss francs to euros, my passport, Snickers dog passport, my wallet, and masks that are ready to reach. doggy bag, I packed his blanket, a cushion, a towel, food, and treats. I also have food or snacks in a veggie bag so that if we do start to get hungry, then we have food readily available for us. And no, we weren't on keto anymore during this trip. It has been a cheat week and we have had to restart it now that we're back. Funny enough, we noticed that our body has adjusted to the keto well, especially our portion sizes, and to our surprise, the portion sizes in the places where we ate were quite big, perhaps about twice the size we would normally have in Switzerland in a restaurant. So when we couldn't finish the food, then we would have it packed and have it for maybe breakfast the following day, just to make sure it wasn't a waste. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to click the like button if you did. Are you planning to go on a Corona-cation yourself? Let me know in the comment section below what your key travel items are for your trip. In the next episode, I will be showcasing our adventures in Germany. And if you don't want to miss it when it comes out, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. As always, I'll see you next time. Tschüss!